Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody from basecamptrading.com. Just wanted to make a quick video to go over the setup I'm watching in HON or Honeywell. We're looking at the weekly chart here. We have a potential bear flag setup in here with a topping tail this week. So we're looking for a down bar next week. If we can get below this week's low, which is 212.17, could come down to the 108.97 area. If we get below that, we could come down to around the 199.5 area, down to 200. So there's a little bit of distance there. I just wanted to make a quick video to go over this setup. If you do find this content interesting and you want to check out our trading room, we do offer a $7 trial for 1 month access. And you can email support@basecamptrading.com if you'd like to try it out. Thank you, and have a nice day.